Mike has recently developed 5 methods to open any padlock, especially the last one. It is impossible not to admire it. The first method is the simplest. First, find a screw and screw it to the bottom of the keyhole. Then use a crowbar to pry the screw out. At the same time, the lock components will be pulled out together. In this way, the lock will open naturally. The second method is more violent. Take out 2 wrenches and insert them into the lock beam at the same time, close to each other, and then move the 2 wrench handles together. It only takes a little force to open the lock. If you encounter a stronger lock that cannot be opened by manpower, you have to use the third method. Take out the spray gun, turn on the maximum firepower, and spray the lock body. How long will it take for it to automatically disintegrate? If we are outside and don't have any tools in our hands, the fourth method will come in handy. First, find a can in the trash can, cut out a small piece, then cut 2 holes in the middle, fold the 2 sides, then trim the end of the middle piece into an arc. Then insert the trimmed thin piece close to the lock beam towards the gap of the keyhole. At this time, you only need to pull it gently to open the lock. The fifth method is mainly for combination locks. First, pinch the lock body with your left hand and pull it down hard. With your right hand, turn the combination wheels one by one to find the tightest one, and keep turning it until you hear a click. Then repeat the previous step and wait until the last combination wheel returns to its position to open the lock. I hope you like our video. If you like, don't forget to hit subscribe button for future interesting videos. Thanks for watching.